In a recent video posted by 1Z Entertainment, SB19's leader Pablo opened up about the emotional journey behind their ballad song Wakas, which means end in Filipino. Pablo revealed that he co-wrote the song with his brother, drawing inspiration from personal experiences and the journey of SB19. Pablo emphasized that Wakas is not just about endings, but also about hope and the possibility of new chapters. The song's heartfelt lyrics and soulful melody have touched many listeners, reaffirming SB19's reputation for producing meaningful and inspiring music.
What's up everyone, this is Pablo. Siguro, this is one of the most difficult songs that I wrote emotionally. Parang it took me months to finish the song. Usually hindi ako mental block pagdating sa pagsulat. This time around, it was really hard for me to find the right words to put into the music. Parang habang sinusulat ko siya, hindi ko mapaniwalaan kung ano yung gusto ko sabihin. And also, I'm careful because I don't want something like that to manifest dun sa sinusulat ko. So, yun siguro yung isa sa mga nagpahirap sa akin sa paggawa nitong kanta. If I may add also, I know naman ever since we started as a group, SB19, lahat naman talaga merong hanggan, di ba? And for almost 8 years now, magkakasama kami ng SB19. Marami na kaming ginawa, marami kami na-achieve. Nabuo namin ito yung 1Z Entertainment. Meron kami mga nakasama na from the very beginning, nandyan na, up until now, nandyan pa rin sila. Meron naman mga bagong dumating. Ganun talaga yung nature ng mga bagay-bagay. Meron talagang dumadating, merong nawawala. And that's the reality of everything. It's just, siguro somehow, meron din siyang kirot, sakit, na kapag iisipin mo na yung idea na matatapos din yung lahat. And this is the 4th installation ng originally trilogy lang. Parang nagkaroon talaga ng mahabang discussion. We were really trying our best talaga to push SB19 as much as we could. And I'm just so happy na, yeah, almost 8 years up until now, magkakasama pa rin kami.